Nobody says don't criticize government constructively. But if you say things emphatically that are inaccurate, that is not an insult. Nobody says nobody is being arrested for insults. The basis for the arrest is that in law, whatever you have said amounts to false publication. That is the law. It's not the insult. False publication is a provision in our criminal statute. If you breach it, the prosecutors will come after you if they are minded. That's one. Now, he read a litany of names. When the Honorable Ntimfo said certain things against myself and the Honorable Attorney General, me, I have sued him. Me, I'm not a policeman. Going after him by prosecuting him. I have sued him. And the matter is in court. We are going through the motions. A civil remedy available to me. Now, if the police are minded to come after you in respect of other, by all means, we must not say that because we belong to a political party, we must go and engage in community crimes and say under the cloak of a political party, I should not be touched. You will be touched. You will be asked to answer questions. Now the other question is that he makes the point about Abronia, and he knows because Jerry and I are contemporaries. I was just a year ahead of him, and he knows about the famous Bensabu. And he hears things in court. That is not the certified true proceedings of the court. So, as lawyers and law students, you always advise that before you go to town on matters that happen in court, always be certain that you have the certified true proceedings of what the court has said. Now, they went out to say that the court said Abronia is being held in custody until the trial was ended. The certified true proceedings of the court came, and then it meant that the court said the accused person was being held in custody until the next agenda date. There are two material differences, and yet they haven't varied their stance since then. They are rather insinuating. That somebody also came out. The famous Mensah also on a similar trajectory. It took the certified true copy of the court to establish otherwise, and we have always been admonished not to do that. Also, we won't do that. And then when the certified of the court came out, we would have been guided. So, as that when the issues come up, when the questions are, you must ask, are you saying because of politics, when a crime is committed, we must close our eyes? No. Because we are a society of rules and laws. Without rules and laws, or without laws and rules, we will descend into a state of anarchy. As for insults, people can insult. When they are aggrieved, they may have recourse to other remediable steps. But when you breach a law, those who are implementers will come after you. So I believe that on this note, we may have to bring today's proceedings to an end.